Didn't work. Better. Bertie having a go on his goose 220 or goose 323. Made a better fist of it than me. Oh, maybe not. Right, not making any headway, so flying at trim. Little cloud Gracchio in stronger conditions. Give us some bar and poke on, half bar and penetrating. Sweet. Yeah, trim speed wind really. Kilometers an hour downwind. Sweet. Blowing up the valley, straight on the nose. Half bar, making 14 kilometers an hour into wind. Flying on the back risers, holding it together. Feels pretty good actually. Very strong wind. Bloody hell. Look at that drift. Good hits, but the wing feels so stable. Onto bar. 10 kilometers an hour at 3/4 bar. A trim going forwards, 3.6. I'll wait till I get out of here, and half bar. .16 kilometers an hour. Sweet. So this is definitely a bit of gale hanging. Got a lifty line, I don't want to turn. Great control on the back risers, blimey. Impressed. 4 up, I'll take it. Turn though, I'm going to end up in a bad place. Well, this is about as rough as you want to be in, and this wing makes it feel good. What a nice little wing. It definitely wouldn't be this smooth on the goose. Let's have some of that. Bertie's managed to get up on the goose. Letting the wing do its thing. And I'll tell you what, it's bloody good. Sweet. I think Bertie's going to come up behind me in a minute. Little cloud wings, the only ones in the air. Oh man, this is rough. Take it, take it. If I didn't laugh, I'd cry. Bloody hell, that was quick. pretty lively, eh? Well, I've gone from very light to too much for a paraglider, and I'm bloody impressed. This feels just bulletproof. Just at half bar. Bloody hell, I can't believe how this thing isn't collapsing. I think I shall try and put it in. Wow! Hey, I tell you what, it feels great. It's rock solid.